Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a Roblox thumbnail. So yeah, let's get started. So you want to start off by just getting an image from Google. So I got this blue static. Now you're going to click, oh, don't worry about like my photos, but that's an optical illusion I made, but yeah. And anyways, you just want to click the add button and then import picture. Now just choose the photo that you want, like the blue static photo. So that's the GFX I just made, and I'm going to be using that for my thumbnail, so yeah. So after you've done that, like you don't have to have a GFX if you don't know how to make one, but I will show you how to make them on mobile. So now just click the photo that you made, and then you want to, you basically want to click the add button and then import picture, but yeah. So you just want to click import picture and then moments or all photos. Either one works, and then click that photo and then click that 1484 times 1019 original, and then after you've done that, then just click cancel. So yeah, now you should have your photo onto your canvas. So after you've done that, then click the bottom thing like here, and then click the little import from photo library button. Now click the moments and click that GFX that you made. Make sure you turned it into a PNG. So I made this one on mobile, so yeah. Now click cancel again because it'll give you the option. Now what you want to do is if you want to add your text, then you just want to click the text button, and then you're going to click where you want the text to be, and then click add text. Now click the little white box on the bottom and type what you want to put. I'm going to put Blueberry's thumbnail tutorial, so yeah. So I'm just going to be putting last week's shout out on the screen right now, so yeah. Okay, so after you've made your thing, then if you want to add another text, I added it super easy because it is super easy. So yeah, I'm going to put an exclamation mark, so yeah. Now after you've done that, you can choose your style, and you can also like change what the font size. You can play around with it. I just made mine like that size, so yeah. And then I changed this one, and I just scrolled down a little, so yeah. If you want to get rid of the boxes around the text, then just click eraser, and then they should go away. So yeah. But after you've done that, you can't draw anymore. So as you can see here, I tried drawing, but I couldn't really draw anymore. So if you want to add art before, you have to do it before you add the text or the GFX that you made. Next week's video will be how to make GFX on mobile, so yeah. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next vid. Bye!